Okay, y'all, but wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. 3 cutest girls I know. But no, so anyway, today we are no longer in Los Angeles. We are now
in Malibu.
Yeah, we're in Malibu. We are at a dog park because you can't bring the dogs on a lot of the beaches we were reading.
Kind of a bummer.
Yeah, so but right now we're at I think it's called the Stairway Beach, I believe. But yeah, so we're checking that one out, and then we're gonna try and find somewhere to stay tonight.
Hi y'all, good morning. So we finished off yesterday by hanging out at the beach, having a good time. We drove back into Malibu a little way. There is tons of signs all along Highway 1 that say you cannot park there from like 2 to 4, which is, I feel like, just the way to make it so you have to move. But anyway, so we ended up finding this tiny little pull-off on, it's called Malibu Road. Yeah, it seemed like there's a couple little more spots there that you can kind of get away with it on. But yeah, but there are signs everywhere that says like no overnight parking, all kinds of stuff. And from everything I read online, it seems like Malibu is a pretty big one on people of cops coming in pretty well enforcing it. But we got away with it. First day of guerrilla camping. Well, I guess we did some in Bitsby too, but yeah, we pulled it off pretty good today. But yeah, we're gonna go chill at the beach another day. It seems like it's gonna be all kind of like an overcasty kind of day, but that's okay. Then that means maybe I can get the camera out and we can take some pictures and whatnot. Alright, y'all.
Good morning, everybody. So we woke up and we drove down to a spot on the beach. We made some coffee, ate some breakfast. Now we're taking the puppies on a little morning walk on this little dog beach that we found. And it's really sweet and they're enjoying it a lot. So we're gonna hang out by the beach today.
Alright guys, so did the beach this morning. Karma's sitting all the way back there, you can see. I'm going on a hike. Sierra has some work she had to get done. She writes for a company called River Beats on the side. So yeah, she had some stuff to get done for them. Me, I'm taking an artist date. So about once a week, I go basically on a date with myself, if that's fair, and I go do the thing that I want to do that week, right? It's kind of you don't have to worry about anybody else's opinion. You don't have to worry about, I don't know, the incline of what this hill's gonna be. I don't know, and then I can go and I can sit and I can chill and basically draw, paint, I don't know, listen to music, meditate, do something that then creatively benefits me. I've been seeing that it helps me a lot in my progression with my art and stuff, which eventually I'll be posting some of that on here. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. If there's anything interesting along the way, definitely be showing you guys. But already, I mean, I'm gonna be going up. I think it's like almost 100 feet in elevation. So hopefully I can get a little bit more of that view of that coastline for sure. All right. What's up, guys? All right, so Sierra's not here. I got nobody to talk to, so sorry. But quick question. So when you guys travel, right? Because here's what I'm thinking of. I'm walking around, I'm seeing these beautiful hills or mountains. I don't know which ones they are. I don't know how high you have to be a mountain. But I'm seeing these beautiful scenes I've never seen before, right? And I think that's a big reason why I travel. Also why I go and do strenuous ass hikes, as you guys hear me getting out of breath again. But I think you get to just like see things that, I don't know, most other people haven't seen. And then you do find those people that have seen those same things as you. I don't know, there's like an instant bond and kinship, right? So, I don't know, leave your answers down below in the comments of why you travel, what drives you to travel, what drives you to have the desire to travel. Yeah, we'd love to hear it. We got to the almost top of the world. We gotta get right there, but currently we are up there. But yeah, all right, I'll show you guys a little view of the top, and then I'm gonna kind of chill out, take some alone time.
What's up, guys? It's another beautiful day in Malibu on the beach, soaking up some sun.
Hey y'all, so we are back at Staircase Beach because we dug the spot. We found a couple good spots to park in Malibu, not actually in like the downtown area, but if you go kind of off the beaten path, like off Highway 1, you can find quite a few places that are like pullouts on some of like the little highways that run up through the mountains and stuff. So definitely look into those because it's they've actually saved us quite a bit. But anyway, we're gonna sit here and finish enjoying the sunset, and then tomorrow I believe we're going back to LA to go pick up a package, and then we're gonna jet out to Joshua Tree for the weekend. So yeah, and also big news coming sometime soon, so stay tuned.
Alrighty, guys, we have moved. We are in Joshua Tree National Park right now. It was about a 4 or 5 hour drive south for us from Malibu, and we just got in yesterday. And so today we're gonna run some errands around the town. We did yesterday too, some grocery shopping. We got some water, all that super fun stuff. Steve is hyped this morning. But we were just driving past, going to a laundromat, and we passed this cute little farmer's market. So we're gonna go check that out and kind of bum around the town today. So yeah. The girls always keeping the van safe while we're gone. But yeah, guys, I got this cute little handmade lotion. Look at how cute. It's all natural and it smells super good. Support your local artists if you're ever traveling wherever you go.
Yo guys, so anybody that's worrying about that wind, if you can't hear it, yeah, so we've had lots of questions about how the top does in the wind because it's so tall. And I think a lot of people are more concerned that it was a homemade top, which I get. But also at the same time, it's like we're as much of a wind sail as any of the other tall, like Pro Masters or any of the Sprinters or anything like that. But it is windy currently. As you can see, I'm gonna hand this off to Sierra. She's gonna show you how dusty it's been. It's been blowing it all up, all the way back.
Yeah.
It's wild. So yeah. So just remember, y'all, if you're out stuck in that wind with that high top, just I don't know, take it slow or pull over. Or, I don't know, but be safe.
Ooh. Yeah, guys, look at this dust storm that's happening right now. It's so windy out, so we found some back roads that we're taking to our camping spot tonight. That way we don't have to deal with the wind on the highways.
It's kind of a little bit windy out here. It seems to be coming in spurts. I don't know. It's been a pretty wild day. Back to you, Jen. We're gonna try and bunker down over here behind some rocks, but back to you for sports. Alright guys, so that was our week. We are currently sitting outside of Joshua Tree, out in like the Yucca Valley kind of area.
We had to run away from the windstorm.
Yeah, that wind was pretty intense yesterday. We did have some friends coming over this week, and then we were supposed to go to Joshua Tree. Those got pushed to next week because of said wind. So we're gonna hang out. We're just gonna enjoy the valley. We're gonna take you guys on a couple hikes. Currently we found this spot that is pretty dope. It has some pretty gorgeous rocks, lots of these juniper trees, a couple Joshua trees out, not in the park, but I don't know. We're just gonna hang out. Yeah. But so thank you guys if you guys tuned in. Always like, subscribe, share, comment. I don't know.
Set your computer on fire, all the things.
Yeah, that one too. But
yeah.
Yeah.
Have a good week.
Bye.